If you've been following us, you know we have the very first Ram RHO on the West Coast, the very first tuned Ram RHO, and today I'm proud to update you guys with the very first lifted, leveled Ram RHO rocking 37 by 1350s. So if you've been following along, this is our project Ram RHO that's going to be the camera truck for our company In Gear Media. Now we're out here filming vehicles of all kinds all year long. So this will be the vehicle that we're doing that with on a daily basis on and off road. The TRX was the predecessor to the Ram RHO. This is really the kind of the updated version of the TRX. The TRX is no longer after 2024. This is a 2025. The Hellcat engine is gone, but this is also good news because the Hurricane Inline 6 twin turbo comes with 540 horsepower and it's an absolute beast. Best of all, it's lighter in the front, a little bit more nimble. In my opinion, a better daily driver. Not to discredit the TRX at all, still an amazing truck, just like the Ford Raptors and the Raptor R, which I kind of consider king of the hill. The RHO is really in a class of its own, and it's a really incredible platform for doing all the things that we're going to do with it. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about the lift and level that we did, and also the 37 by 1350 tires that we equipped the truck with. We wanted to not only improve the looks of the RHO and set it apart from the other stock ones that'll be roaming the countryside. We wanted to give it a little bit more character, a little bit of customization, but give it a little bit more clearance off-road as well. So let's talk about the most noticeable recent upgrade. Check out these Toyo RT 37 by 1350 R20s. Now we were originally gonna run 18s, but last minute decided to run a 20 because the wheel is so darn good looking, we wanted to see more of it. So thank you to HRE Wheels for their FlowForm wheel, custom making these for this RHO and getting them out the door to us in about a week and a half. So that is absolutely incredible. This is a 20 by 9 with a 0 offset, which gives us the ability to fully cycle the tire still all the way up into the fender and not knock a dent into our fenders. We still have full travel, full capability, but a little bit more width, a little bit more of a track on the truck, which is great. And then Toyo tires. That company's incredible. I've been rocking their tires, honestly, for about 20 years, from lifted diesels to Toyota Tundras, you name it. Toyo is always my first choice. And the RT is kind of a hybrid tire. It's great in the mud, snow, sand, dirt, rain, and it's not very loud on the street at all. In fact, it's quieter than the Goodyear Wranglers, the 35s that came stock on this truck. So the RT, I absolutely love it. If you're not living in the mud, this is a great tire that can do it all, and it does have kind of that mud terrain look, which I like. Looks a little bit more like a Baja TA, something that you might typically see on a trophy truck. I think the tread pattern is just kind of modern and aggressive, and it looks a little bit more sand oriented. I absolutely love the Toyo RTs, but what really makes it shine is, look at this fender gap. I mean, this leveling kit allowed us to clear these tires perfectly. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I think the stance is perfect. So let's take a closer look at the RHO suspension, show you guys why it's so special. It really makes the truck what it is. And then we're gonna go to Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road and show you why this specialty shop is who we chose to do the work on the RHO. So yes, we are the first ones officially to lift the 2025 Ram RHO. Now we're not doing a crazy 6-inch lift kit, we're just doing a leveling kit provided by Rogue Off-Road. So Rogue Off-Road created these awesome perch collars, which will essentially go around the shock once it's removed from the truck. The coil gets removed, and then these go on, giving it about 1.25 inches preload, lifting the truck 1.25 inches. Now there's also an optional piece, a disc that goes on top of the shock. Now these do not affect ride quality, and that'll give us another 1/2 inch. So together, about 1.75 inches of lift. We just want enough to give us enough clearance to run our 37 by 13.5 by 20-inch tire provided by Toyota Tires North America. Here we have it, the first lifted, leveled Ram RHO. Look at that. So it's up another 1.75 inches thanks to Rogue Off-Road and their perch kit. It's identical to what comes on the Ram TRX. Well, not what comes on it, but an optional kit that they manufacture for the TRX. And Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road did an impeccable job installing the kit on the RHO today. Look at this, guys. What do you think? I mean, sits just right. You guys, this thing is gonna look insane. I think it's gonna be the first one on the market with 37s. It's definitely the first one leveled. Thank you, Rogue Off-Road. Thank you, Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. You guys are great. Couldn't do without you. All right, guys, stay tuned.